Hey guys, it's your girl Chris Corio here and welcome back to my lazy ass workout. This is a very special 5-day series. We're doing stretching and you can do them in the comfort of your workplace or at your home. Now we've done the neck, we did the shoulders and upper back just yesterday, and now today we're actually going to be stretching the hip area. Now if you are sedentary, if you sit a lot on your butt, well, I don't know if you can sit on anywhere else but your butt, but you will really benefit from these stretches, okay? So first and foremost, we're going to start with a very nice hamstring stretch. So what I want you to do, if you have something that you can hold on to your desk, the back of your chair, hold on to it, all right? So I'm just going to lift the leg here, catch my balance. One of the things that you can do to hold your balance is to focus on one particular area, like I'm focusing on you right now. So holding for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now the next stretch that I'm going to be doing, it can be a little bit complicated for some persons. It might be okay for others. It's a standing pigeon pose is what they call it in yoga. So let me just show it to you. You're going to cradle the leg like that for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, in terms of modifying this pose, you can actually do this sitting at your desk. Because I don't have a chair with me, I'm going to do it sitting down like this. So for example, if I'm sitting down, you just simply cross your tent like this, and if it's available to you, you lift it slightly higher than your knee, so you get a nice stretch along the sides of the thighs right here. All right, and you can just pull it up to as much as you can manage, right? All right, so we just did the hamstrings, we did the side of thigh, glute medius, and the tensor fascia. So now we're actually going to be doing a nice groin stretch. So just simply holding to the side, holding for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm going to go right into the hip flexors, which is the quadriceps and the iliopsoas muscles that are right here. Okay, so from here, I'm going to hold the leg, and what I want you to do, don't sink back the hip like that, but push the pelvis forward. That way you get a nice stretch in the hips. And if you sit all day, this is an excellent stretch for you because these muscles tend to get very tight from sitting and just being in the same position all day. So that's 8 counts. And there, we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. So here we go with our lovely hamstring stretch. Holding 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Going into our pigeon pose. Remember, you can modify these stretches to your liking. Listen to your body. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Holding 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. And with this one, you want to try to aim for opening the knee. So it's a nice external rotation, stretching the adductor muscles under here. All right, so here we go. Stretching out those hip flexors. You want to stretch forward, pushing the pelvis forward, holding for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, chest up, 3, 2, and 1. So I'm going to repeat this for your convenience, repeating again from the top. All right, so stretch, shake out the legs. We're going to go again from the top. In 3, 2, and 1. Hamstring stretch, holding. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Pigeon pose, standing pigeon pose, or you can do it seated, holding 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Adductor stretch, holding, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Turning to the side. Here we go. Pushing that pelvis forward, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, excellent. Last time on this side. Here we go. Holding, stretching that hamstring. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pigeon pose. And holding 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Adductor stretch. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side. Hip flexors, pushing the hip forward. 8, 7, 6, open the chest, 3, 2, and 1. All right, guys. So remember, all of these stretches, you can modify them. You cannot push yourself to the point of pain. All right. You should feel a nice, gentle tension that helps you to relax. So as you relax, get yourself out of the stretch, you should feel relaxed. You shouldn't feel like you just tear out your muscle limb. So that's why I say all of these, you modify it to suit your own needs. All right. So thanks guys for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another lazy ass workout stretch series.